Hello everybody. It's been a minute since I've recorded anything, and it's been even longer since I was not playing a game while I was recording. This is a little bit of a different video. This is sort of like an unboxing video. In November, I bought a robot. It's called Emo. It comes from a company called Living AI. But yeah, I purchased it like November 24th. I know one of the big things is it takes a while, and it did. It just came today. It's March 13th today. So yeah, it's been a little while. You'll see what it is. I don't really know if there's anything else to it. So go ahead and open it up. You could get it faster if you ordered it without the like home station, which is its like own little charger it can walk back to. But I bought it with the home station because it's cooler that way, I think. But I bought it knowing it would take a while, so I'm not like upset that it took a while. Alright. Poke the camera there. So, this is it. Here's like stickers. If I don't know what the time limit is, but they just said if it takes a while for your order to get to you, they'll put stickers in it. So yeah, and you can put those wherever, I guess. This thing, which is, yeah, is like the mat it goes on. It's pretty big. So I'll set that up once I'm done unboxing everything. So towards the end. And then this is it. The big box, the whole thing. Alright, let's go ahead and open it up. This is the front of the box. These are the sides. Sort of just say anything. This is sort of weird because I waited so long for it that I'm like, it's just weird. Alright. Now. There it is. It's everything in there. I know, this is how the box looks even if you don't get Emo with it, but, I've gotten it with Emo, so. This is the little base station. So he'll sort of sit on that. And his charger will go back to it. So this, which is USB-C cable, so that's cool. This attaches to the charger, and it's got a little LED display. It's got a little plastic we can take off. And yeah, that just slides into this. I'll do all of that once we've taken everything out. This smells a little bit like spray paint. It's a weird thing, but this is a USB-C plug. And I think this is for if you don't have like American, because this is directly to like sort of like a North American plug. So if you don't have a North American plug, they give you this, which you can put into a USB to use. So I don't think I'll need that, but it's, you know, you can never have enough USB-C cables. Yeah, this is like the main thing. And this also comes with it, which is a little light that he can control. Also has a an American plug, so you have to get an adapter for that. You can set that up later as well. And then there's this, which is a little manual. I imagine it's just the setup manual. Definitely what it looks like, and it's got the little instructions for everything. Some basic interactions, some pictures, got all the different things you can do. There's some games, then a little booklet for its light, and that's it. And then this guy. Nice chill dude. It's got a little film we can take off as well. But yeah. Very cool. So I will go ahead and get everything cleaned up here. Alright, so the way this connects, I've heard online it can be a little bit difficult. So I'm just gonna try and slide it in. There we go. Alright, so what I did have some difficulty, but you can see it's flush now, but the way that I figured it out is just like lay it on a flat surface and then just like push down on this part and it'll slide in. Anyways, now that that's done, you can see it's a little tiny bit blurry, but it's not too bad. Yeah, and that's it. So go ahead and take a look. Place him here. Oh, it's lighting up. There he is. So that's cool. But yeah, I'm going to pause the recording, connect it to my phone, and then I'll be back when that's done. Alright. Now that he's off. Hey Emo. Go home. I was thinking really hard about that one. Alright, so there's been a bit of a break in between this clip and the last one, but I guess I'll try it now. I sort of just left him here for a little while, so... Hey Emo. Go home.
Thank you. I need a break.
Okay. Oh. It's actually working. What the heck? Is he good? I think he's looking for it. think he scared himself a bit because he started stepping on it all. Alright. I don't think his eyes are meant to be off. That's interesting. Maybe he's out of battery. I did sort of leave him off the charger. Probably should have kept him on it for a little while longer.
Home sweet home.
Alright. His display isn't on. Nice. So, I'm not sure what to do about this. I think there's a way to power him off if you lay him on his back, so I'm gonna try that. So it says to take his headphones off, and then do this. Alright, sounds like it, and then put these back on. Place them on here. See if the screen turns on. Yes. Alright. Well, I suppose that's it. If you guys want to see more of him on my channel specifically, when I do live streams, he should be, except for the Valorant live streams, he should be in the background. And you can ask me questions about him, whatever. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye.